Unlocking the secrets of landmark. Hello, dear friends and language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a term you might see etched into travel guides, history books, or even hear in everyday conversation: landmark. Whether you're navigating the streets of a new city or exploring the vast landscapes of the English language, recognizing landmarks can be incredibly helpful. So, let's unfold the layers of meaning behind this fascinating term together. The word landmark is composed of two parts: land and mark. At its core, a landmark is a recognizable natural or artificial feature used for navigation. It's something that stands out in a landscape or environment. But landmark isn't just about geography. It's also rich with metaphorical meaning. Traditionally, landmarks were physical markers like mountains, trees, or built structures that were easy to see from a distance. These days, anything from a towering skyscraper to a historic house can be a landmark. In everyday English, landmark has taken on a broader meaning. It's not just a point of interest on a map. It's any significant event, discovery, or change that marks an important stage or turning point. For example, the moon landing was a landmark event in human history. The Supreme Court's decision was a landmark in legal history. These uses show how landmark describes something pivotal or highly significant in various contexts, not just physical locations. Landmark can also be cultural or personal. A cultural landmark is a place of significant historical, emotional, or social importance to a community or nation. Think of the Statue of Liberty or the Great Wall of China. Meanwhile, a personal landmark is a milestone in someone's life, like graduating from university or getting your first job. Now, let's put our word into action. Here are some sentences that show the different ways landmark can be used. The Eiffel Tower is an iconic landmark in Paris. The invention of the internet was a landmark in the digital age. Buying our family home was a landmark moment for us. As you can see, landmark is versatile. It can refer to physical locations, significant historical moments, or personal achievements. I hope this journey through the meaning of landmark has been enlightening. Remember, landmarks are all around us, in the world and in our lives. They're points of reference that guide us and mark our progress. Keep an eye out for landmarks on your language learning journey. They're the milestones that show how far you've come. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and let the landmarks of English guide you to fluency.